Yo, what is going on? Tony here, and today we're going to do things a little different. And we're going to be talking about something that is very important, and that is time management. Now, I know the camera is right over here, and I'm looking right over here. Reason being is because I'm going to show you my screens, and I'm going to take you behind the scenes. Now, why do I think time management is so important? Well, I mean, if you're building a business, if you're a family man, and you want to do something meaningful in life, time management is so important because we've got this little thing over here, right? The phone, the iPhones, and then we get on social media and we're just like, oh my gosh, look at that, look at that, look at that. And we just end up in this endless scrolling through social media. And we don't want that. We want to be effective with our time. We want to steward our time and we want to get things done. Today, we're going to be talking about techniques that help and make such a huge difference when it comes to owning your time and your energy. The reality is that we all have 24 hours in a day, but it's how we use these 24 hours that actually makes all the difference. We're gonna dive into a specific technique that help me make every minute count. All right, so that technique is the Pomodoro technique. So the Pomodoro technique is this. It's about working in a focused 25-minute chunks followed by a 5-minute break. That's as simple as it gets. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you here. So I'm going to take you to this app. So this is the Focus to Do app, and it's super simple. All right, so on the back end of the app, once you log in, make an account, you're gonna be able to see different sections where you can say, I want to create a Pomodoro for building my business. So I have a few here already on the right-hand side, as you can see. I've got email and adding new contacts to a workflow that I'm connecting with potential clients. Landing page creation, BMC trade. So I'm creating these landing pages, these funnels. And so I've set that up here, or content creation for marketing, right? Or post social media content or repurpose on different accounts. On the back end, you're able to create these segments. All right, so how it works is you see this little play button right over here. You just press play and you start working. So I'm creating a landing page, or I'm contacting my clients, or I'm replying to emails. And this really helps me stay focused. Now, once the timer hits 0, you're going to get a 5-minute break. You're going to get a timer for 5 minutes. And I can go on social media and then check out some posts or check out some messages. Or I can go get up and go to the washroom, or have a glass of water, or go have a snack, or just get up and walk, go get some fresh air, and then come back and get back to work. So that's it. That is as simple as it gets. That is the Pomodoro technique. I believe more people should be using this. I believe that every workplace should be using it, and every entrepreneur. Here's the deal. When you work for yourself, when you run your own business, when no one's controlling your hours, you have to be great at managing your time. It is why it's so important to be able to use a tool like this to move forward and complete the tasks that you have to do. So if you find yourself in need of finding a technique that actually works for you, try this out. Like it's actually pretty fun. You know what it is for me as well? There's rewards. So every time I finish the work, every time I finish a task, after 25 minutes go by, I get a reward. I get to reward myself. So with a snack, or watch a show for 5 minutes. Whatever it is that you want to do for 5 minutes, you get to reward yourself and get back into it. So that is pretty much the Pomodoro technique. Another thing that is cool is that you can pause this. So for example, if my little girl comes up, I have 5 girls under the age of 13. And if my 4-year-old comes up and says, hey, Papa, I want to tell you something, I can go ahead and just pause this. Okay. I pause it. I'm like, yeah, what's up? Oh, Papi, I love you. I love you too. And then they go off, right? And then I continue back to work. I love that because life happens. You do get interruptions, but you don't have to stop the flow. It doesn't have to feel like you have to stop the flow with this technique. So go ahead and use it. All right, so that is the Pomodoro technique. It's been very helpful, very helpful. Now it's simple to use. And if you want to go ahead and try it out, go try it out. The app is Focus to Do. You can find different apps, I believe, out there. This is the one I've been using, and it has been a game changer for me. Complete game changer. If you're looking for more structured ways to manage your time, I actually have a resource that I'm going to talk about. It's a free ebook for you. And I'm going to take you behind the scenes of this book. In order to create something meaningful, we have to have self-discipline. We have to be able to manage our energy. We have to be able to manage our time to the best of our ability. And so if you want to get more done in less time and be a productive powerhouse, this is for you. Let's go behind the scenes right now. This is the ebook, Time Management. I'm running a business. I'm a family guy. I'm a leader. I do creative projects. I'm writing music. I want to record music. The question is, how do I do all this stuff without burning out? And so this is a 40-page book, all right? Ebook, digital ebook that you can access. And what I want you to know about this is that really the information compiled here, you can find anywhere. But I'm giving this as a resource so that you can come and be aware of where you can actually tweak things so that you become better at time management. And so a few of the things that we talk about is the importance of time management. Why? We were just defining a few things here. The benefits of time management and how ineffective time management can actually hurt our business. So we need to be proactive, especially if you're running a business like I am. So things like applying the Pareto principle to the business, understanding Parkinson's law, how to use that to your advantage, and also prioritizing projects, the Pomodoro technique, I go into that. You're going to be able to read about the Eisenhower matrix here and what that looks like, the 4 different quadrants. Again, this is information you can find anywhere. You're going to be able to read also about building good habits and improving that time management, and certain tools like digital tools, Google Calendar, Focus Booster, Evernote. I just gave you one, Pomodoro. There's a lot of tools out there, and the importance also of your mental and physical health when it comes to time management. So, and in conclusion, I've got something there that if you're interested to learn more about what I do, you can go ahead and check it out. But you know what? I want to take you behind the scenes of how I went ahead and created a funnel for this. I'm going to take you here to the back end of the BMC software, which is a white label version of Go High Level. Now, I create systems, marketing systems, and I love this software. And it's a powerhouse of a software. And it actually helps me work smarter and not harder. And what I want to show you with this is, all right, so now we've got a digital product, right? So Pomodoro technique helped me create this product, to organize this product, to tweak the cover, organize this landing page. This, by the way, is me focusing on my personal brand. And so Pomodoro technique helped me create this stuff. As you can see, I created a landing page that leads to some products over here. These are coming soon. But the one I want to emphasize is this Access Now. And so what I did is I grabbed my BMC software here in my systems. And by the way, if you want these templates, I can totally load them up onto your account and give you access to the software, which is a powerhouse if you want to run your business. This is where you're going to see, okay? This is the live version right over here. If you press into that button, it's going to open up Gumroad. All right, so, and this is the landing page, okay? This is the ebook. This is where you can purchase it. This is where you can have access to it. Now, you can have it for free. You can press 0 right over here. Or you can say, Tony, I'm going to give you $100 for this, and I want this, and you can pay for it if you want. You don't have to, but hey, I'll take it. Come on. Or you can say $2 or $3 or whatever you want to do, right? I want you to go ahead and download it. So I'm using my landing pages, and I'm also testing Gumroad to test some traffic. And that's how I'm able to give people access. With that being said, one of the big ways that I've been able to also brainstorm and create these ideas has been through journaling. I have a Notion template called Master Your Life, and I'm going to take you to that right now. It's called Master Your Life Journal. And so again, I put on the Pomodoro technique and I created this Notion template for you to have as well. How does it work? It's super simple. All you do is you open up Notion. There's a video tutorial right over here. This is maybe like a 2-minute video that I recorded. And all you got to do is every time it's a new day, either in the morning or at night, I like to do it at night. I just press new. And I title this Moving Forward. And then what's on your mind today? Then I start journaling. And this is what I'm going to write. Created Notion templates and felt so empowered and still had time to watch a show. I want to move forward and helping other creative entrepreneurs, and that's it, right? And so you just start journaling. Now, one thing that I've been able to do is also grab my actual physical journal and actually grab a pencil and a pen and just start writing, start journaling, and it's been very helpful in my journey. But this is also powerful, and I want you to be able to have it. I want you to use it, as it's gonna help you stay more focused. So if you want this, if you want your daily journal, I want you to go ahead and comment journal in the comments, and I'm gonna send it to you. Okay, so we've got an ebook, we've got the journal, and here's something else that the Pomodoro technique has helped me create as well. And this is what it is. This is Master Your Life Planner. Now, this is a more in-depth template, which took me a little longer to create, but again, it was fun to create, and it really helped me push myself. So this is what you're gonna see on the in the center right over here. You're gonna see things with regards to life, self-care, household, and planning ahead. So things like a master calendar, your meetings, fitness planner, quick notes, self-care, brain dump. Maybe you've got ideas you wanna throw in there. So let's go into that right now. Personal entries, daily entries, and all entries. This is where you just start writing down all your ideas. So this is a powerful tool. Supplements and medication, goals, household chore trackers, recipes, planning ahead, social events, shopping plans, travel plans, your budget planner. And down here, you've got a routine tracker. So you're gonna walk the dog today, or you're doing a full body workout, or you're doing cold showers. So whatever it is that you wanna do. Right over here, your to-do list, and whether you've got to buy tickets to go on the trip, or you have to, I don't know, do the laundry or something. Meetings, and again, down here, you've got your master calendar. And at the bottom, you're always gonna find my site, thetonycastro.com or brilliantmediaconsulting.com, where you can go get some more information on what it is that I do. For those who wanna go a step further, again, this is the Master Your Life Planner. If you want access to that, comment the word planner if you are interested. All right, so managing your time effectively isn't just about getting more done. It's about creating more space for the things that actually truly matter in life. So these tools, these techniques, they've actually transformed how I show up, how I approach my day, making me more productive and less stressed overall. So if you're looking to enhance your productivity and take control of your time, I'm going to encourage you to try these methods out. Let me know how they work out for you in the comments. All right. So thanks for watching. And remember, effective time management is key to becoming a powerhouse in all areas of life. So we'll see you next time.